another quick note about jack pine needles I forgot to mention here. One of the key characteristics, or I mean a characteristic that can help you differentiate between them and other dual needled species, is that jack pine needles diverge from each other. So again, this is a bunch of jack pine. There's two needles in one bunch, and each needle kind of forms a V and gets farther apart the further away from the bunch that you go, as you can kind of see here. Red pine, Austrian pine, Scots pine. I don't think any of the other pine species actually diverge quite as much as jack pine, so that is another little ID species or ID feature that you can use. Obviously that will not be present, or that will not necessarily be obvious on each one of the needles, so try and make a little bit of a bigger sample size. Don't just look at one bunch and say, oh, okay, that's they don't diverge, therefore it's not a jack pine. Look around the tree a little bit more and see if you can find a bunch of needles that diverge. So jack pine, 2 needles per bunch, and needles that diverge from the base.